So yeah, a little intro into this video. It was like 3 days ago. We had like about, I don't know, 7, 8, 9 inches of snow. I waited a couple days and just I drove to work, so I was able to see the road conditions the day before, and so I thought that by today the roads would even be better. So I said, well, let's suit up and go head out to the highway, watch what happens. Here we go. Right, so here we're still warming the bike up. You can see all that snow out. I was a little hesitant. Once you're going, you're going. Might as well give it a shot. All you can do is be careful. Watch for icy spots like that. Hope you don't get run off to the side of the road. Anyway, look at it. It's not that bad. Ooh.
All right, hey, we're at that spot. This spot. Welcome back to the Motovlogging Virginia channel, and I couldn't wait no more. We had like, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8.5, 9 inches, depends upon where you measure. We had a lot of snow a couple days ago, about 2 I think, and this might be the 3rd day, I don't remember. But yeah, anyway, it was time to ride. I heard a motorcycle go by my house late at night, and said if it's good enough for him out on the road, gotta be good enough for me. So here I am, riding out and about. That's probably nothing, there's really not much snow on me. Gotta watch for freezing temperatures and be careful, that's all. You don't have freezing temperatures today, it's melting, so ride right on your butt. Look like a cop too. Buttholes. Go ahead, get her on in there, bro. There's some ice there. Don't take no corners too fast. You don't know if you got ice on these corners. Like there's chunk ice all over there. Yeah, I probably picked better days I could have rode, but just keep me on my toes today. Be careful. Extra careful. Ride extra slow. Extra cautious. I keep my skills up. Might not be my common sense, but when you don't have common sense and start relying on some extended skills, we'll call it skills. If you're gonna be dumb, you better be tough. I'm not tough. Only my ego is tough. Gotta watch them getting tight on your rear end, man. He's not too bad, but could be a little looser. Hey, make sure they ain't creeping. They'll be checking all the time. More than once. All they gotta do is ease up off the brake, bump you a little bit, and yeah, you'd be in a situation. Can't see under here. This makes it tough. All shadowy. Look at all this wetness. Gotta be really careful through all here. Get in a higher gear so you don't have too much jerkiness and power and brake traction. Okay, now we are going across what they call the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel. The bridge part of the tunnel. Then we'll be going below this nice frigid water. Hopefully not too much frozen water up here on the roads. Just the snow melting. I'll be on my butt. So now we're under some water. You can see salt on the roads. My poor motorcycle. I should have left it at home, but you know, it'll wash up. I got a power washer. We'll get the grit and grime off it. I'm so snow blinded right now. It's hard to even see in here. It takes a while because you get a lot of snow and glare. It takes a while for your, I guess, your pupils to adjust. Woo! But we're having a good time down here. At least we're getting through it fast. We're not doing 15, 20 mile an hour. Or stopped. Yeah. Isn't that something?
That's something.
It's something. It's in the way. That's cool. You gave a little earthway. You gotta watch up here. There's always a cop around this corner. Yeah, that right lane's horrible. Full of poison. Out there's the cop. But we'll slow down. Oh glory, just sitting there. Taking on a little rust. Look at how slow motion she is. Wrapped up and twisted around. Flags are so cool. Higher potential of snow and water on the right. We'll just stay over here until we get by all this mess. Yeah, it's good to get out and ride. The conditions are, you know, I'd say 80% favorable. There's that 20% you gotta be looking out for. That's just a total guess. Being you just can't ride on any spot of the road that you want to, so if you get in a situation and you get forced to being in a spot on the road that you don't want to be on, you either better be really good at predicting, knowing the roads, planning ahead. Still doesn't help everything. Like here, I don't know what's coming down off this approach. There we go, water right up there. Water, water, water. So we want to take it slow. Yeah, you get forced off to the side of the road because it's heavier traffic or trying to avoid a situation. Yeah, situation. We got a situation. Definitely. Don't be on the front brake or you think you could possibly lose grip. I watch this guy up here. No, we don't. I'm so slow. He had time to pull out. Yeah, the bike's gonna be yucky. I have to give her a rinse down when I get home. Slow cornering. Dangerous part up here, I believe. It could be. I saw a lot of snow on this road yesterday, so we want to check that side for our way back. Yeah. Pooey. Smells sewery. Yucky. I didn't have one motorcycle to wave to out on the road today. I did hear one, like I said, last night. Every night at top speed on the back roads. Fast as you can. He's just one of those buttholes in the world, man. It comes by at 1 a.m. and you got a neighborhood of people mostly sleeping and just gives it hell through the neighborhood. Guess I can't park here.
Wild side today.
That wasn't the smartest move, but you know, it was okay. You gotta watch out where you are, just in a few spots. Icy, not really icy, but you chunk ice on the road once in a while, but it was alright.